Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can attach a picture or a notes file to the calendar event on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. On the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen, and in here open up the calendar app. Next, tap on the add button. In here, give your event a title, and then in here you can choose a start time and end time for your event. Next, we go down and we preview other information such as location, where to save your event, select which calendar, and choose the alert time and if it's going to be repeated or not. Finally, when we get down to the end, tap on attachment, and here you can choose to attach a picture from the picture gallery or from Samsung Notes. So if you want to attach a picture, you tap on gallery, and in your gallery select a photos that you want to attach. You can only attach one photo to the event calendar, or you can attach one document, one notes file. So you can see here if I try to attach another one, it will not allow me. And finally, you can tap on the save button to save the changes, and that's it. So we have now create a calendar event with a picture attachment. Now if you open up the event, it will show a small picture icon, and if you tap on that, it will allow you to open up the picture. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.